Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start our new topic and a new subject for third semester, that is hydraulics, and our topic is Introduction to Hydraulics. Moving further, that the basic definitions we are going to study today is the mechanics, which deals with both the stationary and moving bodies under the influence of forces. It means that the reaction of the sources and the objects which are in stationary and in motion under the influence of forces are being studied in this particular topic known as mechanics. Basically mechanics is the science that deals with the bodies at rest, which we call as statics, and some which deals the bodies in motion, or we study the behavior of the bodies in rest or in motion, which is termed as statics and dynamics. The subcategory is fluid mechanics, which is defined as that the science which deals with the behavior of fluids at rest, that is fluid statics, or in motion, that is fluid dynamics. Also, the interaction of fluids with solids and other fluids at boundaries is being studied. The fluids study which are at rest is termed as fluid statics. This is the particular proper definition of all the branches, particularly statics, dynamics, fluid mechanics. Then further, the study of fluids in motion where pressure forces are not considered, that is known as fluid kinematics. If the study of pressure forces is also considered when the fluids are in motion, that particular branch of science is known as fluid dynamics. Also, the fluid mechanics itself is divided into many categories. When we do the study of motion of fluids which are practically incompressible, such as liquids like water and gases at low speed, that is referred to as hydrodynamics. Also, the subcategory of hydrodynamics is known as hydraulics, where we are going to study the flow of liquid in pipes and open channels. So, here the term hydraulic is quite defined as that which the liquid flow is being studied in pipes and open channel. So these are quite some basic definitions which we are going to study in this unit, and we should know that what is the purpose to study hydraulics. It means that we are going to study the flow of liquid, we are going to study the behavior of motion of a liquid in pipes and open channel. This purpose of this particular subject in civil engineering is for irrigational purpose, for study of other marine structures, where we are going to study the behavior of fluids in different sources. Also, we are going to study the gas dynamics, where the flow of fluids which undergo the different density changes when there is a flow of gas through different nozzles at high speeds. Also, there is a category known as aerodynamics, where it deals with the flow of gases over bodies such as aircrafts, rockets, automobiles at high altitudes with high or low speeds. Also, we are going to study regarding the meteorology, oceanography and hydrology, which considers naturally occurring flow. So these are the basic definitions you must know for the further study. Thank you so much. We'll continue our next topics in our next lecture. Thank you.